Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
First, I start the timer.
Hurry, hurry!
Ooh.
Jeez. Förloraren blir av med all extra utrustning och förvandlas till standardmodell.
Hou op met hikken, soldaat. Dit is een bevel.
Neem een slokje water.
Yeah, I feel motivated and encouraged. And it's all thanks to you.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz de los...
Dan, it was a great move. Now we're... Hey! Vito!
Iets nou.
Huh?
Not too public. If the press find you, they will be like many bugs on you.
Papara.
I'm taking them to market. I must hurry. I have a very busy day.
Unknown rider, you have entered restricted airspace. Why haven't you...
This is the road and these are the haters. Come on, sing me to those Memphis nights. Cover past the... Pour it on!
Oh, you got Dave! Now that...
I really didn't have a choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay.
More talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars has got in their whole body.
Really? Oh, that.
Bet you're...
Francesco lost a lot of momentum in the dirt.
Dozo, come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
Rastafarian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock!
Me be jamming now, man.
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto? Correcto. Recto.
Meter?
Yeah, Finn?
We're not here to go shopping.
Shop? What do you mean?
I hereby dub thee.
Spooklicht kan overal zijn. Wel ten ruste!
The blinker's on.
It is? Oh, you got me! Very funny!
Jet going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons come out. What's that? Oh, there we go. Somebody's interrupting genius.
Rookie has won the Piston Cup.
Yes! We have a three-way.
Oh, Stanley. I wish you could see this.
Good jigger.
I've been kind of lonely. Nobody to hang out with.
En route!
Trooper responded. Where's Mater? Right behind. Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
Maybe gold
flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good on me.
What?
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
All right, Dan.
Get it in!
Why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
Over here.
I sold them.
To who?
No idea. He's my best customer, but he always does his business over the...
Macchine cantare con me, duda, duda. Macchine con tante rotine, oh da du.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will...
But you'll never be one of us.
So he's not so good looking.
Yeah, nice try.
I'm serious.
That's why I love...
Oh, number 7 is loose! Shoot Todoroki!
Welcome to the Rusty's Racing Center. You have no idea how much I've been looking forward.
Ven, tractorcito. Ven aquí. Sí, qué gran tractor. No, 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 no. Ven aquí.